My name is Jesse Gomes. I am the Program Director of the Funeral Service Program, Associate Professor, and UDL Teaching Fellow. We are designed to be a 2-year associate's degree program. Interested students would take their prerequisite courses and then apply to our program. Once they're in the program, it is 4 semesters long. I teach mainly the sciences of this program. What that includes is embalming and thanatochemistry, the basics of ethics and OSHA, learning instrumentation in the preparatory embalming room.
My name is Amanda Portelance, and I am an associate professor for the funeral service program. I teach the art side of the curriculum. I teach the management and communications class, where you'll be learning about running a funeral home and how to be a funeral director, as well as doing hands-on portions. We do mock removals, we learn flag folding, funeral service law course where we learn about funeral service liabilities. I teach the restorative art class, which is where you model facial features and learn about cosmetics and color theory. And I also teach the internship course.
They will cover everything fundamentally from running a funeral establishment, embalming human remains, OSHA requirements, Federal Trade Commission requirements. Within our program, we do offer 2 opportunities for students to get licensed as a crematory operator, one of which is through the Cremation Association of North America and the other through the National Funeral Directors Association. Students have an opportunity to go to the Connecticut Office of the Chief Medical Examiner. We also have the opportunity to go to a local medical school and cadaver lab to explore dissected donors, as well as the state-of-the-art embalming suite where we will do practice embalmings on donated human remains and do our practical examinations there. Students also go out into the clinical field,
which is mainly done in clinical funeral home settings, where you're going to be applying all of the knowledge that you learn in our program into the field. Someone would want to become a funeral director because they want to help people. I think that the most rewarding aspect of this career is guiding people through a difficult time and being able to help them when they're in need. It's very rewarding to also reflect on that.
So there's a wide spectrum of opportunities outside of just traditional funeral home, funeral director and embalmer. There's a lot of opportunities for students to hone their skill into an area that they originally thought they would go into, or maybe even found their way to. Some of our students find themselves wanting to be more involved with the mortuary side, and they may find their way to a trade service that is particular to that. Some of our students are gainfully employed at the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner. Some of our students go into pre-need sales, where they have to be licensed as a funeral director and embalmer, but they're just tailoring their skill to someone who wants to prepay or prearrange their funerals. Funeral service is a very traditional type of industry and business, and the profession needs to have that ability to maintain some foundation. There may be new ideas and new generations coming in, but the core of what we do, that cornerstone, is service to grieving families, taking care of the deceased, maintaining public health, and helping people navigate through those grief processes when they come to us at the funeral home.